Hey guys, we are back with another Obsidian tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to easily store quotes that you'd like to save and reference the place where you wrote the code down. I will be using a QuickAdd plugin for that. It's going to be an easy tutorial. Let me show you how it works first, and then I'll show you how to do it on your side. Alright, let's begin. So this file right here is my daily journal. If you're interested to know why you should journal, check out this video. And if you want to know how I built this journal, this daily journal, and how I connect it to my weekly, my monthly, my quarterly or thirdly, and then also the yearly, basically it's all like an interconnected journal, you can check out this video. But anyways, let's stay on topic and talk about the quotes. Now let's say I came up with a very interesting quote myself, or I found an interesting quote somewhere on the internet, or someone said something that really inspired me. All I gotta do is go to the command line, which is Control P or Command P, and then say quote, new quote. We press this and we just write down the code in here. Yeah, this code actually inspired this video, which you will see in a minute. And as you can see here, it just got updated and it links it to the current file, which is the 5th of May. That was yesterday. I came up with that code yesterday, which is what inspired this video. And as you can see here too, we link the quotes in here. Then let's say you want to go back to this day and check out what happened, and you're interested to see what code was this. You can click on this link and it takes you to the quotes, or you can just go to the linked mentions and you can find it in here. Clicking here takes you to the place. Now let me show you how to implement that. All you have to do is download QuickAdd and go here and then add a new capture. Call it anything. Mine is called new quote, and basically add the choice, and then it takes you in here. These are the configurations. You write down the file where you want to store the quote. This appends the link in my journal so that they're both linked. And then here's the magic, you can say. What you wrote down when you command P is written in here between the quotes, and then it also links to the current file you're in, and that's why it gets linked. If you want to append to the end of your file, your quotes file, you can just add this one and enable this one, and you can also insert after a specific line. Let's say I have a title, my quotes, where you want to put only your quotes in there, then it just inserts right after there. Yeah, that is basically how I do it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you think someone could find this video useful, please share it to them. I'd appreciate it. And let me know what your comments, your thoughts. If you have any suggestions, improvements to what I have for my codes, please drop it down. And if you're interested to check out more of my Obsidian videos, you can check out this playlist. But other than that, have a wonderful day and goodbye.